Suppose if we have n identical batteries, n identical cells, so not battery, n identical cells with each having a EMF of epsilon and internal resistance of R. And if m cells are connected wrongly, then equivalent EMF is equal to n minus 2m into epsilon, and R equivalent, of course, n times of R. Now let us find out for this one. There are n with n cells with the EMF E and internal resistance R and R, E and R up to n times n. In that case, the equivalent is equal to given by this expression, and this is equal to given by this expression. Let us take an example for 5 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5 cells, each having EMF of epsilon and it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us have one is connected wrongly, not proper. One is connected wrongly. It means this, that is wrongly means what? All the polarities are same, but this polarity is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us find out what is E net. E net is equal to 1 plus minus E, because this polarity is reversed. The current is supposed to go like this, and plus the same polarity. These are same polarity. 1, 2, 3. These and these get cancelled, is equal to 3E. Or with this formula we can calculate here. There are five number of batteries, that is 5 number of cells. N is equal to 5. M is equal to 1, because M is equal to, what is M? M cells are wrongly connected. It means one cell is wrongly connected. One cell is wrongly connected. So E net we can calculate with this help of the formula n minus 2m into EMF of single battery. This is in case of identical batteries. So this here n is equal to 5 minus 2 into m is equal to 1 into E. So this is equal to 3. Our calculation also comes same. This is E net. So if one cells are connected, then, and of course, what about this EM, this internal resistance, this plus, this, because all are connected in parallel, all are connected in series, and in series the resistance, internal resistance get added up. R equivalent is equal to 5 times, that is n times of n. How many n times of R? Here n is equal to 5 into R. Next, suppose we take an example. If 2 cells out of 5, 2 are wrongly connected. 2 are wrongly connected. Let us take here. If 2 are wrongly connected, it means we can take this one, any 2, not necessary this one is wrongly connected, only just polarities reverse, nothing else. These and these are wrongly connected. So n is equal to 5. There are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and m is equal to 2, and E net is equal to n minus 2m into EMF of one single battery is equal to n is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2 is equal to E. Let us check up, verify this one. So E net, what is E net is equal to this is EMF of this battery, this is reversed, minus E, and this is same, and this is reversed, and this is same. This and this get cancelled, this and this cancel, epsilon net is equal to this. So it matches this one. So we can use this is E equivalent in case of and the identical batteries with EMF epsilon, individual EMF epsilon naught and internal resistance R each, and M cells are connected wrongly, then this is the equation for calculating EMF with all are identical cells. It should be all are identical cells. Calculate current in the given circuit. First one. In the first one, we take first question. In this one, both are properly connected. It means current will be delivered here. Current will be delivered like this. So E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2 because there is no change in polarity is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 volt, first one, and R equivalent is equal to the resistance all are in series 2 ohm and 1 ohm. That's it, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 ohm. The circuit can be drawn as single circuit with internal resistance E equivalent and R internal resistance is equal to 15 volt and 3 ohm and an external resistance is connected with 2 ohm like this. In this case, what is current? Current is equal to EMF net divided by R resistance net. What is R net? R net is equal to R equivalent plus the external resistance because this is R equivalent, both are in series. So which is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 ohm. Therefore current through this is equal to EMF net. EMF net is equal to 15 volt divided by resistance is equal to 5 is equal to 3 ampere. The current through this one is equal to 3 ampere. Current flowing is equal to 3 ampere for the first case. For the second case, and what about the terminal potential difference? And this is the terminal potential between these two, this battery and this battery. This is the terminal potential difference V, which is N to N, with this internal resistance is in between the terminals. So V is equal to EMF into I into drop across the resistor, or terminal potential is equal to E equivalent minus I into R equivalent. E equivalent is equal to 15 minus and I R equivalent. R equivalent means this is not included. This is our external road resistance. It will not come into play for calculating the terminal potential. It will come into play, this resistance, when we calculate current through the circuit. So 15 minus I is how much? I is equal to 3 ampere into R equivalent. R equivalent is equal to 3 is equal to 15 minus 9 is equal to 6 volt. Second problem. In the second problem, see, it is wrongly connected. It means we can say it is wrong combination. Wrong combination means, see, first one, E net is equal to, and the current will be flowing here this way, and for this in this way is equal to EMF of first one plus EMF of minus EMF of second one, because this is going this way, this is going this way, or let us see, this we can take it as plus, this we can take it as a minus, This we can take it. We can take either way. Since this is bigger, 20 volt, so we'll take this way. This is minus is equal to minus 10 plus 20 is equal to 10 volt. So the equivalent circuit will be like this. The battery EMF E net is equal to, should be like this, because this is bigger current, this will flow, current will flow this direction, so current should be in this direction. Because this is current always flows from positive terminal out to the external one. This is equal to 10 volt and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2, that is R1 plus R2 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 ohm, R equivalent is equal to 3 ohm, and net, what is the value? This is 20 minus 10 volt, and this is equal to 10 volt, and this is internal resistance, and it has got an external resistance also. External resistance R is equal to 3 ohm, and this is equal to 3 ohm, R equivalent. Now current is equal to net EMF divided by R plus R equivalent, because this is R equivalent and this is external resistance, both are in series, we have to add together. EMF is equal to 10 divided by 3 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6, 10 by 6. So current through this circuit is equal to 5 by 3 ampere. 5 by 3 ampere, and the current flows this way.